Welcome back to one more useful and interesting video. Please subscribe this channel and turn on the notification to get regular updates. Today I am going to talk about Indian Talent Olympiad. Before the players are selected as a part of the Indian national cricket team, they, no matter how old or young, have to undergo a yo-yo fitness test to assess their stamina and endurance. Consider Indian Talent Olympiad as a similar step to gain mental stamina and a winning spirit for your life after school. With the help of a subscription, children studying in class 1st to 10th get a platform to participate in online tests every second and fourth Saturday and win cash prizes, tablets and more. Note: final Olympiads are scheduled to be held in two slots, in December 2020 and February 2021. Students can choose any of the two slots and appear for the Olympiad. You can subscribe this for 6 months. For International Science Olympiad, rupees 500. International Maths Olympiad, rupees 500. English International Olympiad, same rupees 500. International Drawing Olympiad, also 500. General Knowledge International Olympiad, 500. National Essay Olympiad, 500. Combo pack includes science, maths, English and GK subjects, 1500. Some of the frequently asked questions are there any eligibility requirements to participate in Indian Talent Olympiad? There are no eligibility requirements to participate in Indian Talent Olympiad. Any student from class 1st to class 10th can participate in the exam. Next, what is the method of participating in Indian Talent Olympiad? Students can enroll themselves individually by subscribing to individual students' weekly online Olympiad. Once enrolled, you will receive login credentials over your email. You can go to the Indian Talent website and use your login credentials for logging into Olympiad website. Next, what is the process of taking a subscription of Indian Talent Olympiad? You can select subjects which you wish to subscribe for and subscription period, which is 1 month, 6 month or 12 month. You can even select multiple subjects to subscribe for. Once finalized, system will redirect you to our payment gateway. Once payment is received, you will receive your login details for the app within 48 working hours. Is the subscription amount refundable if you plan to delay or cancel my participation? The subscription amount is not refundable if the student plans to delay or cancel the participation, but if there is a technical difficulty from Indian Talent Olympiad's side because of which student is unable to take the test, then Indian Talent Olympiad may extend the test period on request. Next, do I need a laptop to appear for Indian Talent Olympiad? Student must have a smartphone or tablet or laptop or desktop computer which has a front camera in order to take the online test. Camera records the activities of the students during the weekly test to look after malpractices. Next, can I participate in Indian Talent Olympiad in more than one subject? Students can choose from variety of subjects available. Students may choose one subject or multiple subjects according to their sole interest. Indian Talent Olympiad appreciates the competitive nature of the students. So, Indian Talent Olympiad offered one combo pack of 4 subjects which include Science Olympiad, Maths Olympiad, English Olympiad and GK Olympiad in the cost of 3 subjects. Indian Talent Olympiad also has Drawing Olympiad and Essay Olympiad on offer. Next, how can I benefit from participating in Indian Talent Olympiad? Olympiad exam increases the competitive nature among students. It provides knowledge beyond the academic textbook which help students to improve their analytical skills, logical reasoning, problem solving skills and general knowledge. The Olympiad exams make subjects interesting which in general students may think are tough in nature. Moreover, Indian Talent Olympiad has offered many accolades to the top performing students, which includes rupees 1 lakh scholarship, laptops, tablets and many other prizes. Next, is the Indian Talent Olympiad difficult to crack? Indian Talent Olympiad is a competitive scholarship exam, so the difficulty level is moderate and is according to the respective classes and academic syllabus. Students can score high with the proper guidance, self-study and referring to the study material provided by Indian Talent Olympiad. Next, how soon does Indian Talent Olympiad declare results of their weekly online student test? Indian Talent Olympiad generally announces the result within a week's period. The result declaration notification is provided to every student via a text message to their registered numbers. Next, what are the best books to prepare for Indian Talent Olympiad? In the subscription, Indian Talent Olympiad have provided practice test option where a student can log in with their credentials to the website and attend the practice test every day for the preparation of online weekly test. Student can also refer to their respective academic textbooks. Next, can I take the Indian Talent Olympiad exam in Hindi? What is the pattern of the question paper? The Indian Talent Olympiad exam is conducted in English language only, so you cannot attend this in Hindi language. The question paper pattern consists of 30 multiple choice questions containing few reasoning questions. Next, do I need to appear for an Olympiad exam every second and fourth Saturday? Olympiad exam is scheduled every second and fourth Saturday. It is mandatory for the student to participate in the exam. If the exam is missed by the student by any cause from their side, that exam cannot be rescheduled. Next, how does the Indian Talent Olympiad's ranking system work? There are 30 questions and exam time is 25 minutes. Students have to answer correctly as many correct questions as they could in the minimum time period. There will be negative marking of 0.25 for every wrong answer given. The students who are scoring top with minimum time consumed will be the respective rank holders. Next and last question is, how can I win the 1 lakh cash prize through Indian Talent Olympiad? For winning rupees 1 lakh cash prize, there are certain criteria which a student must fulfill to be eligible for the scholarship. The student must be annual subscriber of the weekly online test. The student must try to attend all the weekly tests conducted throughout the year. At the end of the yearly subscription after the last test, every test result will be carefully scrutinized and the most extraordinarily performed students will be grabbing the grand scholarship of rupees 1 lakh. I hope that this video will be helpful for the students studying in class 1st to 10th. Please share this video with the needy students and do not forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.